respected teachers and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. The topic of my today's debate is really a debatable point. It is pen is mightier than sword. Pen is mightier than sword. It is a famous proverb. It means that a pen has power to achieve than the sword does. A king can rule only a kingdom, but a poet can rule the whole world through his inspirational writing. The power of pen is more influential than the power of sword. Can this really a symbol of faith, war, conflict, and destruction at the end? Dear fellows, it is not wrong to say that might of writing is powerful than fighting. Might of writing is powerful than fighting. I will not forget to quote a very important example from Islam and its teaching which proves the value of pen in the very first revelation, a part of which is that recite, and your Lord is the most generous who taught by God. The point here is that how a sword can be glorified by the pen. Yes, a sword can be glorified by the positive and soft writing of a writer. For a moment, just think about your personal life. Just think about your personal life. All of you might have faced such kind of situation where have you to choose one between the two, fight or peaceful reaction. Here, I want to share my observation can really work more than steel sword. Dear fellows, it is well explained by scholar Sari Sharma. He thinks that pen is mightier than sword because it glorifies the sword. It was pen which toppled the mightrons of the emperors and found the basis of human rights and democracy. That is a hallmark of modern world. Thomas Paine's book, Common Sense, and Rousseau's book, A Social Contract, that is a true example of breaking the shackles of teaching in USA and France respectively. Thus, a pen is far more powerful than the steel sword. The point here is that how a sword can be glorified by the pen. The positive and mind-changing writer who changed the mind of a person who believes in using weapon and thinks that fight is a necessary action. It is more easy